Hi, welcome to May's Market Update. Tony Marlette Jr. at Brookside Financial Group. Let's get right to it. So for April, the markets were a little uneven. The Dow Jones and the Russell were down up to 2.5%. S&P 500 was even, and the Nasdaq was up over 2%. Some silver lining for all the market volatility that's been going on. We did have the big drop when the tariff talk began on April 2nd, and it dropped sharply until around April 8th. The S&P 500 was down under 5,000 at that point. Since then, the S&P 500 is up over 12%. So growth, however, has been decelerating, and uncertainty is obviously the big prevailing term here, even as earnings being reported have come in above expectations. So the companies reporting earnings at the end of April, beginning of May, on average, have announced about a 10% per year growth rate versus 7% expected. The Fed policy remains steady as they did not announce any new rate cuts at their most recent meeting. However, they project 2 rate cuts going forward for the rest of 2025. Futures markets and other prognosticators have projected anywhere between 3 and 6 rate cuts for the rest of 2025. Now, this is driving bond yields down. As we know, when interest rates go down, bond prices go up, yields go down. They all have an inverse relationship with each other. Overall, consumer sentiment is a little weaker than expected. So that's reflecting some growing economic concerns. And as we navigate all the talks around tariffs, there are some deals that are being negotiated, but the longer we have a stalemate, the more potential there is for a trade war. The PCE, or the personal consumption price index, was up 2.6% year over year versus 2.5% expected. The one thing with price hikes in a potential trade war is that they should be short-lived. We won't dare use the word transitory. Hopefully, you did not panic sell and are making it through the volatility without making changes just based on that. Remember, your portfolio should match your overall goals, strategy, and time frame. If it's not, maybe it's time for you to work with an advisor who can help save you from yourself. If you'd like to review your information with us, feel free to do so. Bring up this video, and not only will your consultation be at no cost to you, you can also pick up a copy of one of our books on retirement planning and estate planning as well. As always, from all of us at Brookside, we thank you for working with us, and we continue to look forward to working with you.